Hi guys, today we're going to discuss Science Progression Test Paper 2 from year 2024. It's for stage 4 or grade 4 or class 4 or year 4 with me Susan Hira from Susan Online Tuition. So the total duration for this paper is 30 minutes, and this paper consists of question 1 up to altogether there are 10 questions for 30 minutes. It means one question is 30 minutes divided by 10 is 3 minutes. One question is 3 minutes maximum. Okay, let's get started with this video. There will be timer. You can get your own answer, and if you need some more time, please do pause the video. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, a human body has a skeleton. Look at the diagram of human skeleton here. Write down the name of part X and then part Y. Okay guys. Let's check out the answer. Well, it's a skull for X, and for Y is a rib and cage. Alright, so this is the rib cage to protect our lungs and the internal organ under. Okay, let's move on. Guys, now we are in question 1b. One function of the skeleton is to protect organs. Write down 2 other functions of the skeleton. Let's check out the answer, guys. So this is an example of correct answer. Give shape to the body and then help the body to move. If you have any other answer, you may write in the comment section. Your answer will be helpful for other viewers. Let's move on. Okay, number 2. Yuri is learning about a chemical reaction. Write down what happens in a chemical reaction. Got your answer, guys? Let's check it out. Well, in chemical reaction, new substances are formed. Okay, here are the explanation. So guys, new substances are formed in chemical reaction. These are the examples. Solid or powdery substance is formed and visible at the bottom of mixtures. Or bubbles are formed. You can see bubbles here as we put the magnesium strip in the acid. And then temperature changes, feel hot when we touch it after some time, as there's chemical reaction. Our color change, we see from here blue into green. Right? That's there's the sign of new substances are formed. Let's move on. Okay guys, now number 2b. You memorize a list of chemical reaction and physical processes. Circle all the chemical reaction: baking a cake, chocolate melting, wood burning, cooking an egg, freezing alloy, water boiling. You got your answer, guys? Let's check out. If you need some more time, please pause this video. Okay, the answer is baking a cake, wood burning, cooking an egg. Those are chemical reaction. Why? Because the product cannot be reversed back to the raw one. Baking a cake, the cake cannot be turned back into raw egg or flour. Burnt wood cannot be turned back into unburnt wood, and cooking an egg, a cooked egg cannot be turned back into raw egg. But these physical processes, chocolate melting, freezing a lolly, water boiling, we call them as physical processes because they can be reversed back. Like if we melt a chocolate and then we cool it down, the liquid chocolate will turn back into solid chocolate. So it can be the reverse. Same like water boiling. Water boiling, it becomes a steam. The steam, if you cool it down, it will become condensed back into water. Let's move on to next. Number 3, Blessy investigates different types of exercise. She measures her heartbeat after doing each type of exercise for 10 minutes. Here are her results: resting, walking, jump jacks, running, jogging, with all heartbeat in beats, heart rate in beats per minute. Here, complete the bar chart of her result. The first bar has been drawn for you. This is for resting. It's 70, so it has been plotted. So you have the rest to plot in the graph, and if you can have this printout, it will be good. This video will be provided a link for the PDF in the comment section. Check it out. If it gains more than 20 likes, so share with friends. So once it gets 20 likes, just write in the comment section and the link will be given in reply to your comment. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. Okay guys, Well, this is the answer for the first one, A, 3A. Walking is 75, so between 70 to 80 here, and jump jack is 87, so we write 80, and then 7 is below the here, somewhere here, and then running is 93 here, 93 go to 90, 91 small interval is 92, and after that the half, 1.5 interval above 90, and jogging is 85, so we go here. 85 is between 80 and 90, so we make here. Okay, so now that's the answer. Now let's move on to B. Write down the type of exercise that gives less heart rate. So based on the graph that you have got, or based from the table you can get your answer. Let's check it out, guys. So guys, it's a running will be the correct answer because it's the highest, 93. Okay, let's move on to C. Exercise help keep our body healthy by making our heart stronger. Write down one other example of how exercise helps to keep our body healthy. You got your answer, guys? Let's check it out. Well, guys, this is it makes our bones stronger. If you have any other answer, you may write in the comment section to help other viewers. Besides bones, you can also mention our muscles stronger, guys. Okay, let's move on. Guys, number 4, Chan finds a picture of a girl looking at a book. He starts to draw a ray diagram to show how the girl sees the book. Complete the ray diagram. Okay, for this one, it's also good if you have this printout. Let's check out the answer, guys. Here we go. This is our answer. Yeah, this is the ray diagram from the light onto the book and reflected by the book towards the eyes of the girl. Let's move on. Okay, next, 4B, describe what happens to the ray of light so the girl sees the book. Okay, write down your comment here, guys. Let's check out the answer. So guys, the light from the lamp is reflected by the book. Okay, so that's what happened in the ray of light, so the girl sees the book. Next, okay guys, move on to number 5. Xavier is learning about solids and liquids. Xavier puts a very small block of ice into a beaker, heats the ice in the beaker, records the time it takes for all the ice to melt, repeats this method using different sizes of blocks of ice. Question A. Which equipment does Xavier use to measure the time? Circle the correct answer. Balance, beaker, ruler, stop clock, thermometer. You got your answer, guys. Let's check it out. So guys, it's a stop clock, of course, to measure the time. Next, we see 5B. 5B says Xavier makes this prediction. I predict that the larger the block of ice, the more time it will take to melt. Here are her results: very small, small, medium, large, very large. Time taken to melt 63, 120, 185, 243, and 303. Do the results support Xavier's prediction? Tick to show if Xavier's prediction is correct, yes or no. With your explanation, 1 mark. Okay guys, pause this video in some more time. Let's check out the answer. Okay, so yes, we see here as the size of block increases from very small to very large, and the time taken to melt increases. Okay, that's the explanation. Next, Mike is learning about food change. He drew this food change. Complete the sentence about this food change. The herbivore is the prey is the what and what, and the predators are the and what. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. Pause if you need some more time. Okay guys, so herbivore is grass. Oops, sorry, grasshopper. So typo. So grasshopper. Herbivore is the animal that eat the plant or produces, or in this case is grass. Now prey is an animal that eaten by another animal, so in this case it's grasshopper, and grasshopper is eaten by the mouse, and mouse is eaten by the owl. Predators is animals that hunt other animals, so in this case it's mouse and owl, as mouse hunt grasshopper and owl hunt the mouse. Let's move on. Okay guys, now so look at the liquid being poured into the glass here, and the shape of the liquid changes as it is poured into the glass. Explain why. Use ideas about the particle model. Okay guys, let's check out the answer. Guys, particle in liquid can move randomly. That's one of the possible answer. If you have any other answer, please write down in the comment section. Let's move on. So guys, 7b, which of these solid pour like a liquid? Circle all the correct answers. Baking powder, iron nail, sand grains, wood cube. Okay, let's check out the answer guys. Right, so baking powder, because it's powdery and you can pour like liquid. Sand grain, something that has very fine small particles. Not iron nail and not wood cube. Let's move on. Okay guys, number 8, the diagram shows part of our solar system here. Write the name of the object which all planets are orbiting. Okay, I'm sure that this is pretty easy for you, right? Let's check out. So guys, the answer is sun, of course. Let's move on to number 8b. Well, 8b says the picture shows stars and planets. Okay, write down the name of one other object found in our solar system. What's your answer guys? Let's check it out. So guys, one of the correct answer is moon. You can also mention other things. Know what is this belt, and then you may also answer comets or as asteroids. Okay. This thing can be found in our solar system: the sun and the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then natural satellite like the moon and ambient. Asteroids is here. Rocky object that orbit the sun between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, Mars in here, and this is the asteroid belt, and this is Jupiter. This is the asteroid. Comet is something like this here. Okay, let's move on. Okay guys, now we are in a 8c. 3 planets are missing from the diagram of our solar system. Write down the names of the 2 of these planets. I believe you know this very well, right? Let's check it out. So guys, it's Saturn and Uranus. Let's move on to D. Guys, Venus, Mars, Earth have day and night. Explain why these planets have day and night. You know the reason guys? Let's check it out. Okay guys, the planet spins on their axis. So here are the explanation. As we see that this planet like our Earth spin on its axis. So this is the direction it keeps turning. So there's 12 hours day and 12 hours night. So because one full rotation is 24 hours. So this is the sun. If this face is facing the sun, then it will become day, and the other side will be at night, and another 12 hours, and this part now will be facing the sun and it will become day, and this part now will become night. Alright, let's move on. The question is about energy. The tick to show if these sentences are true or false. Energy can be made. Energy cannot be lost. Energy cannot be destroyed. Energy can be transferred. So now is your choice, true or false? Okay, let's check out the answer guys. Here are the answer. Energy can be made, false. Energy cannot be lost, true. Energy cannot be destroyed, true. Energy can be transferred, true. So here are the explanation. Law of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created nor destroyed. Energy may be changed form, but the total amount remains the same. Alright? But that's the reason we can answer this. False. Energy can be made as false, so energy cannot be lost. True, because it will just transform to another state of energy. Cannot be destroyed, yes. Can be transferred, yes, absolutely. Let's move on. Okay children, now Jamila investigate electrical circuit. This is our last number. Yes, she makes this circuit. Yeah. What does Jamila do to make the lamp A brighter? Circle all the correct answer. Add another lamp, add another lamp, add another cell, remove a cell, remove lamp B, add a switch. What's your answer guys? Okay, you got your answer? If not, you may pause this video. Let's check it out. Okay guys, add another cell. That's for sure. That's the reasoning. If we add more batteries, of course it will be brighter because more current, more power source. Alright, remove the lamp B. Okay, why is this? So if we remove lamp B, so in this A and B is in the series, I mean in one loop, so A and B will share the energy from the battery. Now if B is removed, of course all the energy from battery will be only for A. That's the reason lamp I got brighter. Okay guys, today's discussion is conducted by SUNTER Online. We cater for all the subject and this program. Email us if you are interested to join with our online tuition. Subscribe and ring bell so you'll not miss any of our latest video as we keep updating daily, weekly, monthly. And check the link below down describe as there is free resources from grade 3 up to grade 12 and also calculus and for pre-course. Bye bye and see you for now. If you have any question, any difficult question, you can upload in Google Drive, send the link in comment section. We will see what we can do for you, and bye bye, and don't forget to give likes to the video. It will encourage us to make more video like this. Bye bye and God bless you.